are going to the Trona Pinnacles. If you've seen, what I keep saying is Star Trek 5, but I don't know if that's the right one. It's the one with Spock's brother, where he, you know, digs into everybody's emotions and tries to get them on his side, so basically he can commandeer a ship and take it to the center of the universe and find God. Well, it turns out God lives in Trona, Trona, California.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Trona Pinnacles. And from what I understand, this whole area, and we'll show it to you shortly, but this whole area used to be underwater. That's undisputed. And it was akin to like a hot spring sort of situation back in the day when this was underwater, where there was superheated like mud under the ground, under the water. And because of the pressure of the water and the geological pressure, and I don't know all the details, but the mud basically slowly just bubbled up. And like a reverse, the process where a stalactite, which are the ones that come from the bottom, those are made by water dripping and the minerals just kind of collect, and over time, it's kind of the reverse process from the bottom up.
You know what it reminds me of? Okay, I'm really actually super excited about this. Do you remember when you were a kid, you go to the beach and you get a bucket full of wet sand and you make a drip castle where you like let the wet sand drip out of your hand and make a castle? That's what Trona looks like.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
What? How do you not know what I'm talking about?
I've never done that before.
Oh my god, the most fun castle to make ever. Next time we go to the beach, we're doing it.
All right, so...
And we're gonna call it Trona.
Okay then. So anyway, I mean, it'd be nothing compared to crab jail, which you don't know anything about. So, I'm just saying, crab jail. Michelle knows what I'm talking about. So anyway, so yeah, we're gonna go check out the Trona Pinnacles. We've been staying in Ridgecrest, California for some business, and now we're on. But I think you should get this little road here while we're driving, because it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's a cool road.
Well, we're gonna fly the drone and get some drone.
Sweet overhead footage.
Drone.
Drone, let's do it. Was a surprisingly steep ascent there. Definitely gotta have good boots for that one. Be going back down this way. Maybe over here. Oh, I could do that. All right, let's do it. Sweet.
love hiking all over rocks like this. It's like legit my favorite thing. So I'm gonna shut this camera off now so that I can actually focus on balancing.
Dream as big as the open sky. Take that chance and don't think twice. Spend some time with the ones you love. Find a little faith when times get tough. Listen more than you talk. Don't be afraid to risk it all. Help a friend in time of need, and be exactly who you wanna be. And live, laugh, and love. Smile, give, and never give up. Dream as big as the open sky. Take that chance and don't think twice. Spend time each day to reflect, but don't be afraid of what's up ahead. This life is short, so live it up. Have a few drinks, but not too much. Buy her flowers and take her out. Spend a night out on the town. Look up at the stars from time to time, and make tomorrow the best day of your life. Live, laugh, and love. Smile, give, and never give up. Dream as big as the open sky. Take that chance and don't think twice.